Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to link pages into your designs using Canva. Linked pages are a great way to create interactive presentations or documents where viewers can easily navigate between sections. We will walk you through how to use this feature step by step. Let's get started. When we are on the Canva editor dashboard and we want to link an element, for example this company profile, to another page, we simply need to click the text, image, or any element we want to link. So if we want to link this text, we just click on it. Then go to the three dots labeled More and click on that. Next, go to the Link option and click it. From here, we can select which page we want to link to. In this example, we will link it to page 10. We select page 10 in the field and click Done. As we can see, the element is now linked to page 10. And that's it. We have successfully linked pages in our Canva design. The project is now more interactive and much easier for viewers to navigate.